Hi, my name is Stacy. Today I wanted to show you how to make a broccoli salad, which is a quick and simple side dish. It's perfect for the upcoming holidays, but it can also be used in the summertime for potlucks or barbecues. And so we're going to start out with making the dressing, which is 1 cup of mayonnaise, any brand you want, and then we're going to add 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And just mix this up, and we're going to set that aside. All right, that's all we need to do with the dressing. Very simple. Okay, we're going to let these flavors blend a little bit while we mix the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so we're going to start out with 4 cups of tightly packed broccoli. Now you want to cut these up kind of small so they're more bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to add 1.5 cups of red onion. You can use a different onion if you prefer, but I like these because they're a little bit more sweeter and they're perfect for salads. And it doesn't have to be exactly 1.5 cups. It can be a little off if you want. Next, we're going to add 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds. Now these sunflower seeds I chose were the roasted and salted ones, but you can again choose raw if you prefer. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of craisins, the dried cranberries. You can also choose regular raisins if you like, or don't even have to add them at all. I just thought because it's nearly the holidays that adding the craisins just kind of gives it that little bit of a red color to it. The last thing we're going to add is 1/2 cup of bacon bits. Now I buy these pre-made from Costco, because you can get the big bag of them. But I just like these better than having to fry up my bacon. If you just have regular bacon you need to fry up, it's about 8 strips. Okay, so once this is combined, then we're going to go ahead and add our dressing to it. And if you're going to be making this like later in the day, it's probably better for you to wait until maybe right before serving to add the dressing. At least that's how I do it in my household. And it just keeps things crisper longer, because I know that when this sits for a while, it starts to not wilt, but get a little softer. So it is something that you want to serve at the last minute. And because this is mayonnaise based, you want to make sure that you keep it cold if you're doing a potluck or barbecue. And that's it. This is definitely a family favorite. I've made it for years. It's something that does get eaten quite a bit, and it's gone by the end of the meal, pretty much anyway. Anyway, so there you have it. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.